Hey guys, and welcome to Master the Russian Cases through examples. Today we will talk about genitive plural of Russian nouns. Maybe you've heard that it's a nightmare or it's a pain. Well, it is, because there are a lot of different endings and there are a lot of exceptions as well. That's why we will do it step by step, and I tried to group the words, the easiest way for you to remember them, to memorize them. For example, today we are talking just about nouns that in the genitive plural take the ending "ей", "е" plus "и" краткое. And the words are all the words that end with a soft sign. You can see it on the board. It doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine, all of them take the genitive plural ending "ей", plus all the words that end with so-called Shushan letters, which are sha, sha, che, and zhe. The usual words of today are шампунь and тетрадь, plus I will give you other words so you can practice and you can see the exceptions, words that end not with a soft sign nor with a Shushan letter, but take the ending "ей" too in the genitive plural. I took them on purpose so you can memorize them and practice them. Well, let's get started. I will speak Russian starting from now on. First I should explain to you some grammar rules. Well, the genitive plural is usually used with the words много, which means a lot or many, and мало, which means not so many, a little, not much, and with numbers starting from 5 and up to 20. Why up to 20? Because starting from 21 behaves like 1, 22 behaves like 2. That's why memorize from 5 up to 20 or from 25 up to 30 as well. We will use the genitive plural of noun that goes after this kind of number. For example, I'm giving you example. 5 тетрадей, 5 copybooks. I think there are even 6. No, there are 5. So, 5 тетрадей. Okay. But anyway, activate the subtitles. Activate the subtitles so you can understand it better. It will be in Russian and English mixed. So let's get started. У меня много шампуней. А еще у меня много тетрадей. У меня 5 тетрадей. В России много полей и много морей. А еще в России много матерей и дочерей. А у меня много друзей. Карандаш. Карандашей. Например, 5 карандашей. Нож. Нож. Ножей. Например, много ножей. Мяч. Мечей. У меня дома много мечей. Меч. Мечей. Много мечей. Но у меня дома мало мечей. Наверное, 2 меча. Ключ. Ключей. Здесь много ключей. Здесь 5 ключей. So I think that's it. I hope that you practiced the genitive plural that ends with "ей". You may look in the description. I put the video with the most used Russian nouns that end with a soft sign, feminine ones and masculine ones. Try to make out of them genitive plural. For example, деталь деталей or вещь, вещей. Okay? And we'll meet each other in Master the Russian Cases through examples. See you!